Logic is a branch of philosophy. It's an academic subject. Logic is a four-letter word. Most textbooks will give you a definition like this. But what does that mean exactly? We believe things on the basis of other things. Sometimes that's a strong basis, sometimes not. What do you think of this reasoning? Curtis is a capybara, then he's a rodent. Curtis is not a rodent, so Curtis is not a capybara. This is good reasoning. Even though he is a rodent, he is a capybara, and I lied to you. This is Joe. Now take a look at this one. If Curtis is a capybara, then he's a rodent. Curtis is not a capybara, so Curtis is not a rodent. This is terrible, and it's terrible even though he's not a rodent, not a capybara, and this really is Curtis. It's kind of confusing, isn't it? That's why we need a field of knowledge dedicated to helping us sort the good from the bad. And that's logic. Bad reasoning can start wars, end marriages, land innocent people in prison. So we need to get better at our reasoning, and logic is here to help us do just that.